She's finally here. My Poolin EOCO7. We're going to unbox it. So stick with me. We're going to get this baby out of the box and get her done. Give me just a couple of seconds because this box is huge. So let me get things situated here so we can get into this box and start pulling parts out. This came in another outside box that I was able to get it out of. It took 2 people to do it. So in the top of the box is another big box. Okay, this is the inside of the box and how things are set up. This is the expansion table. I'll take it out. Set it over here. More styrofoam, more packaging, thread. This is so well packed. I think I'm going to need 2 hands to get all the styrofoam out of here. The machine itself is seated in even more styrofoam. These machines have to travel a long ways to make it to their destinations. So the fact that they're packed as well as they are kind of helps make sure that they make it where they need to go. So I'm going to pause this, pull out the rest of the styrofoam because I can tell you it's going to take 2 hands to get it all out, and we'll get this baby out of the box. Okay, let's see what's in this big box. See, this is like Christmas. So we have a pack of cutaway stabilizer. Stabilizer is always important. A thread stand, which I won't use this one. I have a 20 thread stand that I'll use. Again, this is an upgrade for me from the EOCO5 that I've had to this, so I was super excited. We have a power cord. Gotta have some juice. Bobbins to go along with the thread. There's 25 pre-wound A-style bobbins. I don't know if this is a cover. We'll find out. You can join me with figuring that piece out. Power adapter. We'll need that. Hoop clips. Look at these monster hoops. This is the 7x9 by 15 inch hoop that comes with the EOCO7. It's the biggest hoop that they have. In comparison, just kind of show you where I'm coming from. This is the hoop on the machine that I'm using right now. As you can tell, this is why I'm so excited. I'm going from this being my biggest hoop to this monster of a hoop. And then it comes with 2 5x5 hoops and an 8x8 hoop. So I'm going from a 4x4 to 5x5 and a 7.5 by or 9.5 by 4 hoop to the 8x8 and the 7.9 by 15 hoop. So lots of space to work with. Let me get these out of the way, get them up. So we still have some more space to work with here. Comes with the instruction manual. Comes with hoop grids to be able to use to get items placed in the hoop and get them lined up right. It comes with a little quick start guide and your accessories, everything that should be in the box. The operation manual for the EOCO7. Got some good reading to do. The operating system on this is different than my current machine. My current machine is a first generation, and so it hasn't been able to do the updates and everything that they've come out with all the new stuff that they've added to the machines. This machine has Wi-Fi capabilities. My current machine does not, so that will be another learning piece for me. This is a cute little bag or hard side case, and let's see what's in it. Oh, the tools. So it's a little toolkit. It has all the tools for it. It has scissors, an extra bobbin case, the USB, the thread caps. Oh, and a screwdriver? Is that what that is? Yes, it is. A screwdriver with different attachments to it. So this machine comes with everything that you need to be able to plug it in and get you started right out of the box. The only thing you need to have is some stuff to stitch on. So I've been rounding up stuff for a while knowing that this machine was coming. That's the end of this gigantic pizza box, shaped box. We'll get it out of the way. And we'll bring the baby back in here. So it's got the screen. It's got a good protective coating on the screen. We'll peel that baby off. And then get all the tape and the little doodads and everything else. At the end of this video, I had to move my other machines out of this area, knowing that box was so big. The size of this is behemoth compared to my other machine. But I'll set them side by side so you have a comparison of the size and the difference. I'm going to take a break. I'm going to get all this tape off. I'm going to have to crawl under the table to plug this in and all of that. And then I will come back so y'all don't hear me grunting and groaning as I crawl under the table. And we'll start this baby up. So be back soon. Okay, here we go. First maiden voyage. First stitched out, finished. A couple of little areas that had some tension issues. I'll adjust the tension on the next run. But other than that, it turned out really cute.